Welcome to the FieldScope Data Discovery Tool tutorial. This demo will show you how to work with the FieldScope Data Discovery tool. Notice the legend that appears when the Data Discovery tool loads. Drag the legend to move it around the map. Project BudBurst observations are represented on the map as green leaf icons. To close the legend, click on the X. Leaf icons with numbers on top of them represent locations where multiple Project BudBurst observations exist. Leaf icons without a number associated with them represent one single station. Click on a leaf icon to pull up observation data for that location. Notice how the observations in this window represent the data for one of 3 stations at this location. To close the window, click the X. You can change the base layer of the map at any time. To change the base layer, select different base maps from the top bar. When you are happy with your base map, select the Themes tab to view the available data layers. Items in this list with boxes next to them are map layers. You can turn each one on and off by clicking the small box next to it. The check in the box next to the Project BudBurst observation data layer indicates it is turned on. You can see the data on the map, represented as green leaves. Take note of all the layers available in FieldScope. Let's take a closer look at the Vegetation Health Density (NDVI) layer. The NDVI layer can be downloaded at no cost from the NASA Earth Observatory website. Check the box to turn on the NDVI layer. Notice when you turn the layer on, a slider bar appears in the center of the map. This divides the left and right sides of the map. You can select an NDVI layer for different months and compare them using the slider bar. Drag the slider bar from side to side to view data on both sides. At the top of the map, the year and month of the NDVI data represented on that side is displayed. Adjust the transparency of the NDVI layers using the slider bar. Change the NDVI layer date using the left and right drop-downs. You can also remove the slider by unchecking the box next to the left or right drop-downs. Remember that you can turn the NDVI layer off at any time by clicking on the checkbox. The land surface temperature layer works the same way that the NDVI layer does. Try to turn it on and off. Notice how the land surface temperature layer has been added to our map. Now it's your turn to explore the different data layers in the FieldScope application. There are a lot of opportunities to perform analysis using these tools. Thank you for watching the tutorial.